Okay, this here, she's kind of squirmy. This is my green ghost. I've had her for a few years. She's lost some coloring, but she still looks pretty decent. I believe she is about 5 years old. First year she's been bred, she's like, I don't know, 17. She's between 16 and 1700 grams. This here will just be a short video of her. Take a good look at that head. Look at the blushing. I bred her to a pastel. Okay, that's it.